don't miss nothing, got ears like a hawk. Hannah in your business before you can talk, saying bless your heart, but she really throwing shade. If you don't lock the drama up, she calling it a raid. Tell it, it's life with Hannah, baby, messy and bold. She's stirring up the tea like her granny's gumbo. So grab your wig, your couch, your snacks, and van. It's time to tune into Auntie Hannah's plan. Don't play with Hannah. Don't play with Hannah.
Oh, wait, y'all gonna have to buckle up. So, Sunday dinner went smooth, peaceful, plates scraped clean, bellies full, and good vibes floating in the air. But peace don't last long when Auntie Hannah's around. Kelly had cooked up a juicy golden rotisserie chicken, seasoned just right, skin glistening like gospel in a skillet. When folks started clearing out, so did the chicken. Gone, vanished, not a bone, not a crumb in sight. Kelly started looking around like, wait, didn't I just baste that bird not 20 minutes ago? Into the chaos. Hannah swore up and down there was never no chicken to begin with. Said Kelly was just hungry and hallucinating. Even had the nerve to say, girl, you know you be forgetting. But what Hannah didn't know was that Kelly had just installed them new security cameras. Baby, that footage showed Hannah tiptoeing past the coats with a whole chicken tucked in her purse like it was a church fan on Sunday. The next day, Kelly sent her a screenshot with 3 words saying, return my drumsticks. Now Hannah walking around claiming she was set up. Baby, if this is a setup, it's a whole buffet. Moral of the story, don't steal food from family with Wi-Fi and receipts.